I'm Casey's brother. I'm going to be posting this on Casey's channel. This is the first Lego unboxing set. This is from Lego Ninjago Season 8. It is ages from 7 to 14. And this is set 70639. And it's the Street Race Snake Jaguar set. It's 308 pieces. And it comes with Mr. E and Zane. And this series is going to be about the Oni mask. We're going to get this one in this episode. So we still have that one and that one to collect. The play features for Zane is that he has his drone that shoots. And the play features for Mr. E, those claws chomp down. And he has that gun there. And he has 4 arms. So that's a plus. Let's get into this. Open this here. Bag 2. I'm not expecting to have a lot in here. I've built way more though. This is catalog 1, catalog 2. This is bag 1. That's it. Well, let's get into this. So we are going to do a time lapse while I build this. So when do you want to start that?
Let's do that right now.
Okay.
We'll do that right now.
Okay guys, so we're back from the time lapse, and this is the Zane's bike, and here's Mr. E, and here is the mask with the 4 arms. And then here's Zane, and then on the bike there's also this drone that shoots, and these also works as the bike's guns too, I'm pretty sure. So that's that. That's Zane's bike, so now we're going to move on to building Mr. E's bike. Okay?
Let's see that.
Hi guys, this is the end of the time lapse, and both of these bikes are pretty cool, but personally I like Mr. E's bike more. Mostly because it has these on it, and it has the guns, but also Zane's bike has the guns and it has the flag, but I forgot to put Zane's flag on. And also, just the design looks cool. I like also the front tires there, and it flips back and it doesn't block the wheel, so that's cool because some sets they block it. So Lego did a good job on that. And then with Zane's bike, it has the drone as you saw a little bit later. And personally, this bike isn't that good. I mean, I like it, but it has the drone, which is pretty good. And then the mask. So here's the max. We have 2 more to collect here.
Which we're probably going to be doing in the next few episodes of this thing.
Yeah.
I think we might do the smallest set one next, the Kai ship one, which I might actually build. Since it's only like 100 pieces.
But then there is also, but then you can take this chest plate off. Yeah. Take that off.
You want to actually show off the Mr. E? Alright, so take off that, the head.
Take off all of this stuff. All of this stuff. Put it like.
And now show the audience and bring down his hands while you're at it. Does that max sound good?
Not really. Is the mask popular? So here's him.
Mr. E with his mask.
Yes.
Even
the mask kind of just like floppy.
Yeah, the mask is kind of flimsy.
Yeah. Well, all in all, I like both of these sets, and make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
So wait, quick editor's note here. So what do you think of this set, Jacob? On a 1 to 10 rated.
Probably like a 7.
Alright. So comment down below which set we should do next out of the Sons of Garmadon. I'm about to show Jacob the rest of the set pictures. And yeah, we'll see you guys later. Bye!